When it comes to fine woodworking, having the right tools is crucial. One tool that stands out in the arsenal of any woodworker is the portable table saw. A portable table saw offers the convenience of mobility without compromising on performance and precision. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate hobbyist, having a portable table saw that can handle intricate cuts and deliver accurate results is essential. In this article, we will explore some of the best portable table saws specifically designed for fine woodworking. We will discuss their features, performance, and overall value, enabling you to make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. From compact models suitable for small workshops to robust saws with advanced features, there is a wide range of options available to cater to various woodworking requirements. 5. SKIL 10-inch Heavy-Duty Worm. The SKIL 10-inch Heavy-Duty Worm Drive Table Saw with Stand, SPT 9911 is a highly regarded table saw suitable for both DIY projects and professional use. It features a 10-inch blade with a maximum cutting depth of 3/2 inches and utilizes a worm drive design for enhanced power and durability. With a 25-inch rip capacity, it can handle large materials effectively. The saw is equipped with an aluminum top and stand, providing stability during operation. It also offers onboard storage for convenient access to accessories and has built-in safety features such as a riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, and overload protection. The saw includes a 4/2-inch dust port for improved dust management. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it delivers robust performance. Customer reviews of the SKIL 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw have been positive, with users praising its power and durability, making it suitable for a range of projects. The saw is considered easy to set up and adjust, contributing to its user-friendly nature. While some customers mention that the stand could be sturdier, the overall consensus is that the saw offers excellent value for its price. The built-in safety features have received appreciation for providing peace of mind during use. 4. DEWALT Table Saw. The Woodsmith review team provides an overview of the DEWALT Table Saw, highlighting its compact size, powerful 15-amp motor, and convenient features. The saw offers rack and pinion telescoping fence rails for quick and precise fence adjustments, allowing for cuts on plywood or OSB sheets up to 24.5 inches long. It includes onboard storage for components like the Site Pro guarding pieces and push sticks. The metal roll cage ensures job site durability. A customer review mentions the saw's excellent performance, portability, and affordability, recommending it as a reliable workhorse. The review emphasizes the saw's quality, built-in safety features, adjustable blade depth and angle, intuitive design, self-contained stand, and compatibility with various woodworking projects. It also mentions the saw's lightweight and portable nature. The review team also provides a buying guide for table saws, discussing key considerations such as power, blade type, accuracy, weight, cost, additional safety features, durability, and ease of use. They emphasize the importance of choosing a saw that meets your project's requirements and offers the necessary safety features. The team's goal is to provide honest advice and assist readers in making informed purchasing decisions. 3. Bosch 10-in. Worksite. The Bosch 10-inch Worksite table saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for job sites and workshops. It features a 15-amp, 2.5 horsepower soft start motor that delivers up to 4,800 RPM, providing ample power for various cutting tasks. The saw has a large cutting capacity and can rip 4x8 sheets of material. It also includes a precision fence system for accurate and straight cuts, along with an adjustable miter gauge for added versatility. Customer reviews for the Bosch 10-inch Worksite table saw are generally positive, with customers praising its power, accuracy, and user-friendly nature. Some users mention that the saw is heavy and not easy to move, but the inclusion of onboard storage and wheels helps with portability. The precision of the fence system and the quality of construction materials are also appreciated by customers. Key features of the Bosch 10-inch Worksite table saw include its powerful 15-amp motor, 10-inch 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade, 25-inch rip capacity, foldable stand for portability, onboard storage for accessories, square lock rip fence for accurate cuts, large cast aluminum top for increased workspace and stability, and a 2.5-inch dust collection port for improved dust management. 2. Bosch 10-inch Portable Job Site Table Saw. The article discusses various portable job site table saw options and provides recommendations for different categories. Here is a summary of the information. Best portable job site table saw overall. DEWALT 10-inch table saw DWE7491. Features a 15-amp motor, 10-inch blade, and a rack and pinion fence system. Offers excellent accuracy, a wider table, and a stable rolling stand. Price, $529 with stand. Best cordless portable job site table saw, Metabo HPT 36 volts multi-volt 10-inch table saw. Hybrid saw that can be used with a battery or AC power. Features a 36 volts brushless motor, 10-inch blade, and a 35-inch rip capacity. Price, $599 bare tool. Best portable job site table saw for safety, Saw Stop Job Site Saw Pro. Uses flesh detection technology to prevent injuries. Offers performance and usability along with a safety feature. Price, $1,579. Best portable table saw value, rigid 10-inch table saw with rolling stand. Provides quality and stability at an affordable price. Features a 15-amp motor, 10-inch blade, and a rack and pinion fence system. Price, $499 with stand. Best budget portable job site table saw for DIYers, SKIL 10-inch table saw with integrated stand. Offers a 15-amp motor, 10-inch blade, and a rack and pinion fence system. Provides stable platform and cutting power for DIY projects. Price, $349. The article also mentions the best portable table saw blades and provides recommendations for different tooth counts. Additionally, it briefly discusses portable job site table saws from other trusted brands such as Bosch, Delta, Makita, Milwaukee, Ryobi, and SKIL Saw. 1 Shop Fox W183710. The Shop Fox W1837 is a hybrid table saw that combines the performance and features of a cabinet saw with the portability and practicality of a contractor saw. It has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport. The saw features dust control and a full range of capabilities similar to high-end cabinet saws. It comes with a quick change blade guard with anti-kickback pawls that can be positioned away from the workpiece for added safety. The saw has a strong and durable build and is straightforward to use. It offers interchangeable riving knife for non-through cutting operations, and its serpentine belt and pulley system ensure smooth and quiet operation with improved power transfer. The Shop Fox W1837 has a robust cabinet-mounted trunnion and an enclosed steel upper stand for maximum dust containment. It has a 2-horsepower motor and various specifications such as rip capacity, blade size, and maximum depth of cut. The saw also includes features like a precision ground cast iron table, lift-off precision fence, and T-slot miter gauge. It comes with an enclosed cabinet bottom with a 4-inch dust port for effective dust collection. The blade can tilt to the left for bevels and compound miters. The saw has a quick-release blade guard assembly for easy operation and safety. Additionally, it has an built-in foot-operated mobility system for easy movement and a built-in kickstand-operated mobile base. The Shop Fox W1837 is a hybrid table saw that combines the best features of cabinet and contractor saws. When it comes to finding the best portable table saw for fine woodworking, the Shop Fox W1837 stands out as a top choice. This hybrid table saw offers the perfect blend of power, precision, and portability, making it an ideal companion for woodworking enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Shop Fox W1837 is its compact and lightweight design, allowing for easy transportation and setup in different work environments. Despite its portable nature, this table saw doesn't compromise on performance. With a powerful motor and excellent cutting capacities, it can handle a wide range of woodworking tasks with ease. Safety is paramount in woodworking, and the Shop Fox W1837 doesn't disappoint in this aspect. Equipped with a quick change blade guard, anti-kickback pawls, and an interchangeable riving knife, it ensures both operator safety and clean, precise cuts. Durability is another key attribute of this portable table saw. With a robust construction and a cabinet-mounted trunnion system, the Shop Fox W1837 is built to withstand heavy use and provide long-lasting reliability.